Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to GHANAIAN channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'm taking you to Ghana. I'll share with you how to make goat meat and tilapia okra stew. This is very easy to make. It's so delicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. So I'm using 2 medium-sized tilapia. To that, I'll season it with fish seasoning, salt and black pepper. I'll then blend onion, ginger, garlic, habanero pepper. I'll blend it until smooth and then add about 2 tablespoons to the tilapia. I'll rub it all over and then marinate it until it is ready to be used. So in a different saucepan, I added in meat seasoning, which is the goat meat, and then salt. I'll add in some of the blended onion mix to it, and then I'll stir it so well combined. I'll let this cook for about 45 minutes or until it's almost tender. So cover it, stir it, taste if it's okay. If the salt is okay, cover it and let it cook for about 45 minutes or until this almost tender. Once it is almost tender, I'll add in the tilapia, and then I'm using crabs as well. So I'll cover it and then let the tilapia cook as well. After it is cooked, I'll move on to the okro. So the okro, as you can tell from the video, it's frozen okro, because where I live, from where I live to the African market, it's very far. So anytime I go there, I make sure I buy my okro, chop it into smaller pieces, and then keep it in the freezer. But bear in mind, when you are cooking it, add it to a boiling water, wait until it gets melt, and then add in baking soda. After it's almost about to get ready, add in the spinach, your chopped spinach, and then let it cook until it's cooked or until it is ready. Set that aside and let's move to the stew. The stew is very simple and easy. To my saucepan, I'll add in palm oil, fermented salted fish, which is totally optional, but this take the stew or the soup to the next level, so please add it to it if you have it. I then added in the rest of the blended onion mix, and then I'll add in half tomato, which is totally optional. Like sometimes I do it without the tomatoes, so please, if you want, you can add in the tomato or you can just leave it. I added in the stock from the meat, and then I'll stir this until it is finished cooking, like for about 5 minutes. After, I'll add in the goat meat and then stir it again. So basically the stew is almost ready. Add your seasoning and then add in your okra. This is it, guys. It's simple, easy, and trust me, it's so delicious. I have different types of making your okra stew in my channel, so please, if you want to have a different way of making okra soup, I have like 3 or 4 videos on my channel. Check there and you'll find out a lot, and it's so delicious, guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. So at the end, I added in chopped red onion and habanero pepper. That's it, guys. It's simple, easy, and it's so delicious. The good thing about this recipe is that you can cook your meat at the other side of the stove, you can make your stew, and then you can also make your okra stew, okra sauce as well. So once everything is done, join everything together and you're good to go. Let's serve, guys. Just look at this. Isn't it amazing? Please don't forget to share this video, give it a thumbs up, and guys, see you in my next video. Love you all. Till then, bye bye, stay blessed.